Hey guys, just walked out of the gym. This weekend has been a bit about breaking my records that I didn't think I could do stuff, right? Like I pushed for 115 deadlift yesterday, which I did, which is the max I've lifted this year. I haven't lifted 115 this year. I don't think I have. So the next I'm gonna push for 120. So that happened yesterday, and today there was a plank challenge, and I thought I could do 2.5 minutes, but I ended up holding for 4 minutes. I've come to check out this bakery in on Gallery Road in Gurgaon. I was hungry, and there were very few places to open which had morning breakfast, but this is open. Guys, so I went to Parisian, and the thing is, I just can't stand too expensive places, right? Which are needlessly expensive. I mean, the menu was so expensive. Every food item was starting from about 400 bucks. Forget food items. I ended up having a smoothie because I'd taken a seat. So I had to order something, and it would look very awkward if I were just to take a seat and leave and not order anything. So I ended up having a smoothie. The smoothie was priced at 395 rupees. So I thought tax milake it'll be 420. Because anyways I taken a seat, so it's anyways very expensive, but I thought I'll have to do that now. But what happened was, so they charged 10% service tax also, which makes no sense, right? Nobody does that in India. Very few people do that. Very few restaurants do that in India now. And it makes no sense. If I were to tip the server, and if the server does a good job, I would tip, right? Why do I have to pay like 40 bucks service tax on a smoothie which is already hyper priced? So I'm not going to Parisian again. Makes no sense. Absolutely ridiculously, needlessly priced. So I've come to McDonald's now. Hopefully it's open. I'm really hungry. Now look at this. This is a Parisian invoice. The smoothie for 395. The service charge of 10%, and rest is 20 rupees is the GST which goes to the government. Any fucking thing you do, they take GST. So smoothie in a top 5-star kind of a cafe or whatever it's called in Gurgaon. One smoothie is 456 rupees. Hey guys, just watched Trevor Noah's special. It's called Joy in the Trenches. And in fact, he's got a bunch of jokes, about 4 or 5 jokes he does in the special. And Joy in the Trenches is the most beautiful joke he's done. It's something about soldiers finding joy in the trenches when everybody's dying around. So just because the big is happening, that is, a war is happening, doesn't mean you can't find joy in the trenches. It's a beautiful joke. I love Trevor Noah. So although the other jokes are not as funny, but I still watched it because I love it. Okay guys, this is Guftagu Comedy Club. This is where I perform every night. There are about, I think, 15-20 tickets today. And nobody's come right now. 10 बजे का शो है, कोई आया नहीं है. पता नहीं कहाँ पे सारे. But whatever. So I think the room will be at least half full today, and I'm gonna perform. I manage this club also, so I decide the lineups every day. So whatever. That's where it is. I'm in the green room. The show is about to end. Ravi's on stage, and I'm tired. I just want to go and sleep. But thankfully, I don't have a gym in the morning tomorrow because last 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, I had to get up in the morning because I had gym at 7:30 and 7:30 वाला class में Saturday को miss हो गया था. But I did 9 a.m. Deadlift, and then today I did morning core, right? So I had to get up in the morning both days. Tomorrow thankfully I don't have a morning session. Actually morning session मैं करता ही रहूँ क्योंकि I have to do a workshop or something which only happens on weekdays. Otherwise I do only morning sessions, because I sleep late. Like अभी क्या बजा? It's about 1:45 midnight and अभी मैं सोया नहीं. और सोते होते ही बजेगा. So yeah, thankfully I'll have a proper night's sleep. Okay. शो खत्म होने वाला. एक एक्ट और रह गया. उसके बाद शो खत्म कर दूँगा. Take care. Bye. Hi guys, the day review. I'm still at the cafe right now. I just had dinner. Actually, the double dinner because I got fucking hungry. I had dinner at 7:30. But the show ended now and I hosted the show, so it got pretty late to sleep without eating something again. So I got really hungry. I just had a shawarma. The day was good. The show went pretty well, so I'm happy with that. The gym. What did I do in the gym today? Today is Sunday, right? I did a core workshop and I held a plank for 4 fucking minutes, which is the longest I've held a plank. So that was the other highlight of the day. And rest of the day was kind of okay. Mostly these are the two highlights: the show and the gym. I wrote a bit. I guess a couple of new premises I've written for jokes, which are going to be part of some of the jokes going forward in future. Yeah, largely overall, I think it was a good week, and I hope some of you will be watching my vlog. It's going to take some time to take traction on YouTube, but I'm happy I'm documenting my life, I'm talking about it because it puts a lot of pressure on me to. It makes me accountable to do stuff that's worthy and stuff that's worth talking about, right? So thank you. Good night. Bye.